Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the mailbox location and getting the tools ready. Once you have build mode open, set grid snap to 0. 5 so you can micro-adjust placement. This matters for tight gaps. You then collect small props, plants, fence slats, roof tiles, because these will form your disguise. Make sure to leave the mailbox accessible for testing. Doing these first saves time later and prevents you from rebuilding sections when a piece doesn't line up. Now you build the structure that hides the mailbox. Start a shallow frame of fences or half walls around it. This creates a visual barrier but keeps function. Once done, use micro moves to nudge props 0, 1 to 0, 3 units into the ground so edges overlap and seams disappear. You should layer foliage and small decorative trims to break the mailbox outline, alternate heights and textures for a natural look. Make sure the mailbox door isn't obstructed as you add layers. Finish by testing the mailbox in play mode to ensure it opens and the postman reaches it. If interaction fails, identify the blocking piece and either move it slightly or rotate it. Using smaller snap increments often solves stubborn collisions. Once interaction works, fine-tune visual gaps by swapping a prop with a thinner piece or nudging parts by tiny amounts. Finally, save a copy of the build so you can restore or tweak the concealment later if updates or glitches appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.